What a couple of days. It has been so wet here. And I know a bunch of you are expecting a whole bunch of snow. All we're getting is rain. But that's caused a couple of problems. One, I forgot to put stuff away. So now it's all soaked and it needs to be cleaned up. Mud on my shoes, so I can't go inside unless I take my shoes off first, but that's okay. As you can see, everything is loving the rain. Natural water is so much better for the plants. Everything is starting to perk up, liven up. When I had some that were super sad, like this cabbage over here, it was all droopy and sad. It's not sad anymore. It is loving life. Every one of them is perked up because of the rain. I still haven't finished that row, well, because it rained. The tunnels still need to get watered because they're covered, and I haven't finished taking out all of the peas. However, now that the rain has hit, the peas are starting to flower. Excuse the fencing there. But you can see all the little flowers. Everything's starting to blossom and it's going to start producing again. So that is the fluctuation of gardening in January. You never know what kind of weather you're going to get. And these, oh my goodness, look at how beautiful those are. They are doing so well. Can't tell you how blessed I am with everything, including the mess.